Hello guys, welcome back to new video. In this video we can see how to edit text like this in Node Video Editor. For that, open Node Video Editor and click on new. After that you need to click on plus icon here and then click on text and add your text. You can try with lyrics also because it looks beautiful to see with rain effect. So after that you need to click on font. After that click on English. In that several fonts options are available, so select any one font. After that click exactly on this and adjust the duration of the video. I adjust it to 4 seconds, or you can adjust it as your wish. And then click on fill option, click on fill. In that scroll down and click on fill color option. Click on fill color and select any one color of your choice. I choose light blue. And after that click on plus icon here. After that click on asset store option. Then you need to select glow first you need to select glow, then we add rain effect. First select glow. In that adjust the glow according to your wish. In my case I set threshold to 0.55 to 1, so adjust first one to 0.55 and second to 1 threshold like that, and I set intensity to 1.5. You can adjust it according to your wish. You can vary the value and check which one looks good also. So after that click on plus icon and then again click on asset store option. Click on asset store. After that click on nature. After that in nature you need to select raindrops option here, so select raindrops. Okay, in raindrops you need to first enable the dynamic option by tick on this enable dynamic, and then after that click on timer option here in strength. Click on this. After that you need to add a keyframe in the beginning by click on this. Add a keyframe in the beginning and then move to the end of the video. Move to the end by move the cursor to end like this, and after that increase the strength value as your wish. So I increase it around 2.5 to 3. Okay, in this way we can add neon effect plus rain effect to the text. So to export the video you need to click on this icon, and after that select the video resolution. Select video resolution as your wish and then click here to export the video. If you click on this, video start exporting. Thank you.